everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to be tightening and firming and getting rid of wrinkles on the skin. I am going to share a remedy that you can use to firm the skin, boosts the collagen production in the skin, that when you click on your face like this, your skin just bounce back. If you click on it like this and nothing happen, it just like, stay right there. It means that your skin might be losing its elasticity, and what you need is to boost it back to make sure that your collagen production is booming by, getting your skin to look younger and fresher. So this remedy is going to tighten, firm, but it also contains antioxidants that will clear the skin of pigmentation. So what are you waiting for? Oh, and one more bonus to this recipe is that if you have hair on your upper lips or facial hair, the very fine ones, this will also help to get rid of it. So what are you waiting for? Let's get in the kitchen. Let's whip this up really quick, and then I'm going to share some tips on how best to use it on your skin. So today we're going to be using some fresh aloe vera gel in this recipe. What I did, I extract the aloe vera gel, I blend it in the blender, and now here we have some fresh aloe vera gel. Now aloe vera gel will help to clear the skin of pigmentation. It also will help to hydrate the skin, get rid of sunburn from the skin, get rid of dull, rough looking skin. So in this bowl I have about a tablespoon of the fresh aloe vera gel. So next we're going to reach for some sugar, and today I'm going to use brown sugar. However, you can use sugar of choice, white sugar. Now sugar contains glycolic acid, which will help to brighten the skin. We're going to use about 2 tablespoons of the sugar. Pouring this in. Next we're going to reach for some orange, and we're going to squeeze about a teaspoon of orange in the mixture. Squeeze this in. So here we have aloe vera gel, we have orange juice and brown sugar. We're dissolving the brown sugar and the orange juice and the aloe vera gel. Now we're going to reach for our second bowl, and now we're going to reach for our final ingredient, which is cornstarch. Cornstarch contains skin tightening properties, which will help to tighten and firm the skin. So we're going to use about 2 tablespoons of the cornstarch mixture. And then we're going to reach back for our aloe vera orange brown sugar mixture. Start out slowly, about 3 teaspoons to start with. And then we're going to mix this in the cornstarch. This is going to thicken up, and you can clearly see that we need a little more in it. So pour another teaspoon or so, and then you're going to mix a second time. We are making a skin tightening facial mask that will help to clear the skin of pigmentation. Totally blend and blend well. Now let's reach back for the remainder and pour this in. Make sure to get everything in. And then you're going to mix, and you're going to mix well. Aloe vera gel, orange juice, cornstarch, and brown sugar. Now once this is done, this is going to be very creamy, but we're not done as yet. What we're going to do, we're going to place this over a double boiler. If you do not have a double boiler, place it over some hot water. So here we have some water, and make sure the water is boiling. That's if you don't have the double boiler. And then you're going to take your bowl and you're going to put it right in that water. Make sure you're using a bowl that can tolerate heat, and you're going to mix it really quick. This is going to thicken this up to a nice jelly-like consistency. So keep mixing, and the fragrance is amazing. If you do not have orange, you can use lime or you can use lemon for this recipe. Now if you're using lime or lemon, 1 teaspoon of lime or lemon juice to a tablespoon of water and pour it in. You're diluting the lemon or the lime juice. So keep mixing, and this is thickening up nicely. Just keep stirring, keep stirring. I love this recipe because not only is it skin tightening, but it smells amazing. And it gives the skin an amazing feel, a velvety feel when you apply it on the skin. Now this look about ready. And this is very hot, guys. So be mindful of that. And now we're going to remove it from the hot water. You're going to set this aside to cool. You can also place it in the refrigerator if you want to cool it down really, really quick. Now, before I set it aside to cool, let's reach for the storage container. And we're going to pour this in our storage jar. As I said, this is going to thicken up very, very nicely. So set it aside to cool, and then I'm going to come back and show you how to use this on your skin for best result. Now, once your mixture is cool, take a look. Here it is. Very, very thick. And what you're going to do, you are going to place it on your face like I'm showing here. Rub this all over your skin like I'm showing here. And then you're going to leave it on your skin. It's going to dry on the skin. It's going to give you a tightening sensation on the skin. Now, the beauty about this facial mask is that if you have fine hair on the skin, your upper lips, your jawline, this is also going to have to get rid of the hair by inhibiting hair growth. So apply it to your skin, leave it on the skin to dry, and once it is dried, then you're going to rinse off. Before you rinse off, you can take a cloth and you can just rub it in circular motion like I'm showing here. Once it is dry, this is not yet dry, just for demonstration, rub it in circular motion before you rinse off, and then rinse with cold water. Now this is good to use on the skin every day if you so choose, but at least 2 to 3 times per week for best result. So there you have it, quick, easy, simple, but very effective. I love this facial mask. And this facial mask, you need to give it a chance to work on the skin. So use it for about 6 weeks or so, 2 to 3 times per week, and then come back and leave a comment. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video with some amazing skincare tips just for you.